Error 0x800f0983 usually appears when Windows Update fails while staging update packages, cannot validate update manifests, encounters inconsistencies in system components. It is commonly tied to language pack issues or component store corruption. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version.